Hey there, what's up? It's me, Parrot from the Foxy Parrot, and we're here on Mineverse with that TNT. Oh crap, I gotta get back. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the TNT? Whoa! We all just found this. Oh crap. Gotta get. Boom! Oh my god, that is so cool. And we're just gonna start playing on some random servers here. So let's just see, where's the TNT? Oh, there's the person with the TNT. Where did he go? Oh, TNT. That was fun. But anyways, we're gonna play on some Sky. Actually, let's play some SkyWars. Because I haven't played that in a while, and plus I have my mouse too. So, yeah, let's go. All right, here we are. Oh, dude, look at that island. Look at how close it is to the middle. Oh, those people are so unlucky over there. 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Alright, this island sucks. Okay, alright, here's the chest. I was like, this. Oh, no, it doesn't suck. So we'll take that, and then put that on. We spawn with a torch. Yeah, we need that. We definitely need that. We don't really need anything else. But we definitely need some more. Actually, no, we have the tree. We can, yeah. We need to get to the middle fast, too, so let's do this. Let's go. Hopefully I don't get shot off. I'm just gonna stop right there. Let's see. Should I just keep going? Dude, these people got, like, really lucky on their islands. Like, seriously. Oh, yeah, I knew it. I freaking knew it. I didn't really get that lucky anyways, so. Alright, let's just do this again. We're gonna get this. Alright, it's over here. Scratch my ear. Yeah. Actually, what? I've never seen more snow at the bottom. Waiting for 2 more players. Yeah, 1 more player. 1 more player. We are starting in a few seconds. Can I do /kit VIP? What's $40 has been added to my account? I don't even know. What? Oh my gosh. Look at this. Gosh. Oh yes. 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 Oh, dude, I got 4 armor. Damper. I feel like I've heard that name before. Alright, now let's mine some stuff. Yeah. We don't fall off here. Is that... Yeah, I can get that. This reminds me of Skyblock. Yeah. I actually like, I forgot what it's called. It's a different server. Their name is like Mine Time. It's not Mineverse, but their SkyWars is like the best that you could possibly get. Alright, now let's see here. Should we start journeying to the middle? I guess we should. I'm just gonna keep it there. Is this a different chest? I might have another chest on this place. I don't think so, though. Dang it, there's someone over there. I just keep going. I'm trying to knock that person off. think I can make it in 42 wood. Oh, help me out, solid snowball! We just threw that. Oh, dude, that person got a bow in the middle. Oh my god, I hope I don't get shot. Should I just like wait here until everyone's dead? Is there wood in here? Yeah. Need that. Oops. Alright, now we're back up to 42. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, can I knock this guy off? Oh, dude, he just made me waste all my snowballs. Come over here, dude. I got you. No one even bothered to touch that island. Oh shoot, he's gonna throw something at me. Here, I got my sword ready. I got you. He's gonna go for it. Jeez. He's gonna go for it. Get over here. Yeah, he knows I'm gonna get it. And knock this bitch off. Wait, what is that guy's name? It's like Brady something. Oh! Oh, hell. What is his name? It's like Brady something. Brady is act. Oh, dude, he didn't even bother to mine that tree. How many players are left? Brady Dennock has been eliminated because he was being too risky. Let's go. How many players are left? I have no kills. I don't want to set this off. Alright, what's in this chest? Nothing good. Let's raid this. Let's raid this wood. Gimme. I can't believe that guy didn't even get that wood. Yeah, that was the stupidest thing I ever done. Oh, I can't believe I got on top of that thing. Alright, well. Yeah. I'll be right back with another. And we're back, guys. We're back. Oh, dude, I got 2 chests. Sick. Wee. Get this. Oh, TNT. Need that. Wait, no, that. I mean, just put that. Oops, I need that. I'll just put this right there. Need that. Actually, the other one. Oh, yeah, I thought it was gonna surprise me with like a diamond sword or something. How are we gonna ignite this TNT? Confused. Alright. So I don't have any axe. Oh, crap. I don't have an axe. Dude, should I just head for the middle? Should I? I'm just gonna go for it, man. I'm just gonna go for it. I don't even care about the wood. I only need like a few pieces, and then I'm done. I'm just gonna go for the middle. Hopefully there's a bow, because I have some arrows in my inventory. Yeah, cocoa bean. Alright, now just craft this. And yes, let's go. Think I can make it in 20 blocks? Of course. Let's go for it. Oh shoot, I keep wasting crap. Just go for it. Just go for it. Oh my gosh. What could I use? What could I use? These. I need something good. Yeah, I could use this. Yes. I don't know if I could use that. It's an enchantment table. I think you actually need lapis lazuli. Time. Yeah, I need that. What's in here? Oh, yes. I should just organize myself here. Is someone who's gonna get me? We need this right here. Put that right there. No! Ender Pearl! No! Dang it! Alright, well, now I know my strategy. Oh, dude, that was cool, dude. Oh, not really, but... Alright, let's go. Shh. What time is it? 11:30. I have plenty of time. Okay, alright, let's get ready. But, oh, dude, this looks... Look at how freaking close I am. Let's go. What? Let's go. Show me another chest, yes. It's in here. Could use that. Oh, dude, yes. Yes. Yes, dude. Yes. Just need a few more wood, and then I'll just go for the middle again. I'm being a daredevil right now. Alright. Yes, let's go. Middle. Here I come. Let's just go for it, man. Do it. Hopefully I don't get shot off. Dude, I didn't even grab a sword or anything. I'm just gonna go for it. Who's gonna come for me? Ah! I can use this. Diamond pickaxe. Need that. Just gonna wait till... Oh, shoot! Shoot! Oh, someone just jumped in the lava here. Crap! Why didn't I get that guy? Oh, dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Oh, I can tell this one's gonna suck, dude. This one's gonna be hard. That guy right there is lucky. He got like 2 chests and he's really close to that. Oh, I got a Skype message. After I die, I'll check it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Just give me. I remember the old days when I used to get like a diamond sword. Like out of every 3 times I played, I'd get a diamond sword. Why is there a lever in there? Okay. It's good. It's good. I don't need cake. Because I'm just going to go for the middleman. Oh! Did you just see that? That is something that you do not want to do in SkyWars. Alright, should I just go for it? Yeah. Let's go. Alright, here we go. just gonna go for it. If I get shot off, I'll try and jump in that water there. See what happens. Oh, yeah. Water, 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 water. Well, I'm actually gonna end off the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe. Subscribe to our other channels first. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.